Happy 4th of July, everybody. I got these celebrating bicentennial. It's got 1976. It's a Nesor. It's a Japanese lighter. It's another Nesor from 76. I started collecting these earlier this year. Wanted to get anything that was 76. I think this one's maybe a 74, but it is celebrating the bicentennial. I have another one just like it, but it's off getting painted by Brandon Noel. And then this one is still sealed, never opened. This one I got this year, celebrating the 250. And then I got this ashtray about a week ago. All right, everybody, happy 4th of July. Hope everyone has a safe one.